How to animate black bars in Davinci Resolve. To begin, I added a video to my timeline. Move the playhead to the start of your video. Then with your video selected, open up the inspector panel. Scroll down until you see cropping options. Click on the diamond buttons next to crop top and bottom to create starting keyframes. Now click on diamond button at the bottom of video track to see the keyframes. Move the playhead a little forward and increase crop top and bottom values to around 130. Move the playhead to near the end of your video and click on the diamond buttons to create keyframes with current value. Move the playhead to the end and set crop top and bottom to 0. And now we have these animated black bars, but the animation is not smooth. To smoothen the animation, click on the curve button at the bottom of the video. Now click on this arrow to see all the properties that have animation. Select the first two keyframes for crop top and click on this curve button to add some curves to the animation. Do this for other keyframes as well. And now we have a nice smooth black bars animation. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.